I am back. I told you we're gonna do this back to back. So recently I just posted my trimester 1 recap. So now this is trimester 2. Trimester 2 got a little interesting, okay? Let's start off there. As you can tell by the title of this video, I got COVID trimester 2. Honestly, I was scared a little bit, but part of me was like, at least I wasn't out here doing the right activities with my friends, and that's why I got it. I was just, you know, chilling with family and from work, because all they did was work, and here we are. So part of me felt like, you're not being a bad mommy already. You didn't go and be reckless, and that's how you got what you have. So yeah, I'll tell you a little bit about that and how we overcame COVID during trimester 2. There's some people in the house, so if you hear them. Okay, so trimester 2, we still had sinus headaches. I was still itchy, still burping, still gassy. Now, vomiting came. And I want to say, for the one whole week, I want to say I may have threw up about 5-6 times for the whole week, maybe altogether. And I'm blaming this one on my friend, because I would tell her, like, I didn't throw up my whole pregnancy. I didn't throw up. Well, I didn't throw up for my first trimester. And she's like, oh, that's not fair. You should throw up. She put power of life and death lies in the tongue. You could speak anything on someone. And here I was, throwing up. And I don't know also if it's because of the COVID that also added onto my body. Like, not only am I creating a human, but now I have another foreign object. So I think that's what added to it. So my symptoms for COVID was, I threw up a lot. I couldn't smell. Super tired. Super tired. And the only energy I had was to get up, pee, maybe get something to eat, and then my energy was gone. Like, my house was a mess because I had no energy. I had no feeling to do anything. I'm an herbal person, and I wanted to create all these teas, but when I have no energy, I ain't want to make nothing. And I did make tea one time, and that's when the nausea, the vomiting came. So I just didn't make it, and I'm just like, we're gonna sweat it out, just gonna go through it. So day 1, I remember having chills and fever of like 100.9 or something like that, 100.8, something like that. And I took Tylenol, because that's the only thing also I'm allowed to take while pregnant. But I wasn't positive for the test yet. Well, I didn't take the test yet. So that was very interesting to me. And it's so crazy because, like, the person I was with that had it, I chilled with him, say, Monday. And then Tuesday, I was with someone else for the whole day. And the person that I was with on Tuesday did not get it. Makes no sense. This COVID situation makes no sense to me. But that's besides the point. So yes, back to my symptoms of COVID. We had the chills, vomiting, fatigue. Did I have headaches? I want to believe I had headaches too. And honestly, they're like, do this and do that. Everyone was messaging me all these remedies. I did nothing. I just slept. All I did was sleep. I slept, drank, ate, and went back to bed. That's how I got through it. So I mentioned that I didn't really do much to get over COVID, but I did get Powerade and Pedialyte, but honestly I threw up. Like, I couldn't hold it down, so every time I did drink it, I kind of threw it up. But I feel like that's also what kept me hydrated, was the Pedialyte and the what is it called, the Powerade. So that's one thing I could say I felt like helped me, because I didn't eat much. I'm glad my smell didn't disappear. I mean, my taste didn't disappear. But those are the 2 things that I want to say I did take in order to help keep me hydrated. Part of me is kind of grateful, or like not happy, but I'm okay with the fact that I got it when I got it, because like I'm not saying now that I'm not worried, but I'm not as worried. I still take my precautions, but it's like I feel like now my body knows what to do. My body experienced it, so now we know for the next time, if Lord not willing there is a next time, we'll know what to do. So that was the interesting part, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I was going psycho, like, is my baby gonna go COVID? What are we gonna do? Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Is my baby gonna have an immune to it? It was a lot. It was a lot, and I was low-key, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was very scared for a little bit. But then over time, I'm like, he that is in me is greater than he that is in the world, and I got this. So another symptom I started getting second trimester, just for a little bit, but not a lot, is heartburn. My skin was dry and flaky. Like, I'd wash and put my, is it Johnson? I don't even know what gel it is. It's like a cocoa butter gel, and it's super thick. Within like a day, I'm dry. I'm like, what the freak? So I had to like OD with the gel, with the oils, and trying to make sure that my body is moisturized, because we're also trying to not have stretch marks. Well, I am small. This is my first pregnancy, and I don't know how my body is going to stretch, or it's not used to this. So we're trying not to have stretch marks. So oil up and keep the skin hydrated is the best way. I couldn't sleep. Second trimester, part of this, well, I'm still in my second trimester, but these were like the beginning symptoms. I could not sleep because I couldn't find a position that was comfortable. But now that I'm 25, today I'm 25 weeks, and I just be sleep. I'm so comfortable. I sleep. Most of the time I sleep sitting up, because you're not allowed to sleep on your back, and I'm a back sleeper, because if you sleep on your back, they say you're like cutting off the baby's circulation. But I kind of sleep sitting up, or I'm mostly on my left side. So now I'm sleeping, I'm comfortable, but my pains are here. My diaphragm, all these organs are being pushed, and baby's like, give me space, this is my house. And it's uncomfortable with that. And then me being on my feet all day does not help the situation at all either. So that's that so far for trimester 2. I don't know what else. I'm kind of already in the I'm over this stage. Like, can I see this baby already? I really just want to see this little human. But like, I want to see what you look like. I want to see, do you have my eyeballs or something? You have these lips. Like, I just want to see. I want to see my creation. I want to see my artwork. But I did find out the gender of the baby. If you think you know what I'm having, I'm going to show you my stomach, because people claim how you carry and all these blah, blah, will determine what kind of, if you're having a boy or a girl. So I'll show you guys my stomach, and you can decide, am I carrying a boy or am I carrying a girl? Baby brain started. I forget what I was going to say. I forget what I was going to do. I forget. I'm clumsy. I literally have no balance. I'm like a liability right now. I see why people don't, like, when you're pregnant, they make you're fragile. I'm literally liability. But anyways, so this is my stomach. I am 25 weeks. I'll give you a better view. I don't know which way, but this is the stomach. Am I having a boy or am I having a girl? And that's that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and tell me if you think I'm having a boy or a girl. And I'll see y'all next time. Thank you for watching Co-Creating with God. Bye.